Okay, for reading and analyzing netcdf data, we will use spyder that comes with an account of Python module. Next, we have to install netcdf package in Anaconda if you already haven't installed it before. Just search for the package here and click install. Then we will start the spyder. Just to get familiar with the interface of the spyder, this is the terminal, this is the data that I'm going to use, and this is the text editor. First, let's see where is my data and where is the directory I'm working on. Now I'm going to import the package that I have installed as netcdf. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll put the file path in the nc package so that it can read the data from the file. Now I'm going to copy the file name. Now I'm going to put a comment in there with hash so that it doesn't get executed. Now I'm going to read the sea level pressure data from the file as file.variables, then the variable name with cos. Then I'm going to use colon so that it reads all the dimensions of the data that it has in the file. Then I'm going to read from the same file, I'm going to read the lon and lat and time dimension from the same file. As we have done that, we can just execute the script now and see how the dimension of the all data that we have just read in our module, is it going to work or not. So let's run. So it seems like it worked. Now let's see the shape and dimension of the data that we have just read. So it's lon 144, lat 73, and time is 848. Perfect. It matches with the sea level pressure data. That should be all for today.